everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe it, as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video I'm basically going to talk about my homely brand. Why I'm calling it homely also because I have used this product for my skincare, for my hair from a long, it's been several years I'm using this product, and I'm absolutely in love with this because it has no parabens, no silicones and no mineral oil. That is the best part about this product because it won't cause you breakout, it won't actually give you a negative impact on your skin. So the product which I'm going to talk to you about is this Wow, and this product is actually wow, and I am actually loving it so much that I love this product for many reasons. So first, as I told you, it is completely safe for your skin. It won't cause any kind of breakout because I'm using this product from several years, like ages and ages, and my skin is absolutely safe, touch wood. Apart from that, let me talk to you about this packaging. So this packaging, you can see it has got a pump packaging which makes it super hygienic to apply. So I personally like when the product is about skincare, I don't appreciate that tube packaging because you have to dip your finger and again take the product. That makes it ultimately unhygienic. So this pump packaging is completely safe to use, and the consistency. So serum actually penetrates the deepest layer of your skin and it gives awesome result. So this is again very light in consistency. It will absorb within a minute, I think, to your skin easily, and it will spread, even one pump will spread nicely to your face. So now how I used to apply it. So I used to apply it in the daytime and then in the night time. So many people are having confusion that vitamin C we should not use when we are going out in the daytime, but that is not the truth exactly. You have to just cover up your face with nice sunscreen or sunblock and you are ready to go. Apart from that, night time actually it's a routine which everyone should must follow, that is CTSM, cleansing, toning, serum and moisturizer. So serum, so this is a serum which I am recently using and the result is very quickly. I can feel the difference in my skin texture. Apart from that, it has helped me to brighten up my skin tone, and also it actually helps to reduce the sign of aging, because apart from that, brighten up the complexion, and also it has somewhere helped to minimize the pore of my skin, and the quality of skin is ultimately good. So the result is very much instant. You don't have to wait for longer and longer days to wait for the result. Within 7 days you can start checking that, actually you can start feeling the difference of your skin. And also this product is oil free and it is suitable for all skin types. So let it be a man or a woman, both of them can apply this product easily and their skin will actually start glowing out. Like I have personally felt that, and I hope that it helps you too. So with this, I am wrapping up my video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then guys, take care. I will see you guys in the next one.